I wanted to make this quick video today showing you guys how to mix coconut coir. We actually bought this off of Amazon. It came in a 5 kilogram brick. If you never used coconut coir before, it actually helps your soil retain water while allowing sufficient drainage and aeration. And it also promotes strong root and top growth. The best way I found to mix this coconut coir is just to place it in this storage container and fill it up with water. But before you do that, you will actually want to break it down into smaller pieces. Breaking it up into smaller pieces is absolutely not required. I just found it helps expedite the water absorption process. So once I was happy with the pieces, I rinsed it with a hose and I tried to fill it up to the top of the pieces and just let it go for about 5 minutes. Now you can see my iPhone switched to slow-mo mode. I'm not really sure why, but it made for a really cool action shot. After about 5 minutes I came back to it and I actually noticed that my tub had a hole in it, so I moved it to the grass, but I wanted to further break it down into smaller sections and repeat the process. So there goes my iPhone again in slow-mo mode, but what you want to do is keep soaking it for about 5 to 10 minutes. I found that hot water works a lot better than cold water does, but the ideal mix is about 3 5-gallon pails for this one brick. And just let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's fully absorbed, and you'll get some kind of consistency that looks like this. Coconut coir is actually a great substitute for peat in the garden. The added benefit is that it retains water really well. You can see that the brick expanded to almost half the tub. And once it's mixed in with your garden soil, it will really keep your roots hydrated for a long time. So once you're happy with the mix, all that's left to do is to add it into your garden bed or your garden tubs. So it really is that simple, guys. If you found this video useful, please smash that like button. And I'll see you on the next one.